Hi, we are in the final episode of the API banking series, and this episode is on choosing the right API provider. A lot of work goes into testing and selecting the right APIs. We believe that an equal amount of work should go into selecting the right API provider. The right API provider can lessen your headache in terms of dealing with the aspects of integrating APIs and will help you focus on the other important aspects of your business. In this episode, I'm going to take you through a checklist that you can follow while choosing the right API provider. Determine the strategic goal of your integration before you select the API provider. That could be cross-selling your products, it could be improving the customer experience, it could be anything else. It is important for you to understand why are you choosing these APIs, what purpose are you trying to solve through these APIs, and that will help you determine whether a certain API provider is right for you or not. Consider whether they have a developer community. A developer community is a place where a lot of developers gather and discuss about a specific problem and solutions to it. So it is important to know whether your API provider has a developer community or not. A developer community would really help you figure out the right advice and information and skills needed to integrate those specific APIs in the context of the problem that you're trying to solve. Evaluate the documentation in detail. Some API providers have less standard of a documentation. Look for FAQs, tutorials, and other relevant documentation that can help you in doing the integration in a seamless fashion. It is easy to check out options which do not have a standard documentation or do not provide relevant tutorials or FAQs. Check and analyze different offerings. You need to analyze different set of offerings by any API provider. This will help you figure out whether you are able to solve your problem by combining different APIs and not just use a specific API from an API provider and have to use other APIs from other API providers. So do check for comprehensiveness of the APIs. Verify standard and legal compliance. Ensure that the APIs are meeting the standard security guidelines, and also ask your legal department to have a look at whether the APIs are meeting the data sharing guidelines and are complying with other necessary regulations with respect to customer consent, etc., so that you don't land up in a soup later on. Look for fraud monitoring features. Check if the API provider has fraud measures integrated along with APIs. The chances of financial fraud nowadays are very high. So it is important to ensure that the API provider has taken measures to ensure that the frauds are not impacting your business. The time required to move it from sandbox to live. Moving APIs from sandbox to live is known as a sandbox sign-off process. The time is different for different API providers. Hence, it is important to ensure that the process from moving from sandbox to live is seamless so that you don't end up spending a lot of time moving from sandbox to live. And finally, error management. Most API providers would have an error management system which is strenuous, and they would throw errors which you will find hard to understand. Hence, it is important to have an error management system which is easy to understand so that you are not only able to understand it but also able to communicate it back to your users. To learn more about how to choose the right API provider, head straight onto our website. The link is there in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.